The next stage on this butterfly, and the next color that we're gonna use is another color called peacock teal, and we're gonna start shading first. We're gonna shade first with peacock teal. First of all, I'm gonna show you how I float. Different artists float different way, and we have some videos at the video library that shows you how to use the liner and how to float. This is the way I float. I dip my brush into, and I'm gonna use this very large brush. This is a size number 20, and I'm gonna dip the brush into the water. Then I'm gonna come with my fingers and I'm gonna pinch and remove the excess water, and this is the amount of water that I'm gonna leave on my brush. I'm gonna take a corner and I'm gonna put it in the paint, and then on this palette paper I'm gonna work my brush, and I'm gonna work it on both sides, this side and this other side. The time you spend in this palette paper is important because that way it gives time for the paint to move across the brush. Now I'm gonna go to my piece and I'm gonna use that float on my piece. I'm gonna start by floating in here. And I'm going to walk this color. And what I mean by walking is that I'm putting it and I am extending it going down so that it goes to the end of this. Do not worry if you have marks. It doesn't matter in this type of painting because we're gonna put other things on top. We're gonna put black lines on top. I'm still walking around and I'm trying to walk it on up to the end. Since I am almost out of paint, then the last section is not going to be as dark as the first section.